Youth Against Drug and Alcohol Manipur Yadamgi Matenga Loinana Imphal East District Police Amadi CRPF ke apunba team amana chathakiba operation amada mioi ani heroin kg 8 ka gram yankhai ma thoiga kona na Phare haidi police tagi phangba pawman hai akaknaba pawma phangbadagi team aduna Porompat police station na konba Kongpal Chingambam Laikai amadi Khurai Lamlong ani gi marakta drive ama chathaki maduda Kongpal Chingambam road ta registration number MN03P 5733 oiba Mahindra Bolero gari ama lakpa thengnaki police personnel sing adu ubada gari adu mafam aduda gina thoktuna chen khina bahonaki adu moinamak security ki team aduna khamduna check tawbada polam sing adu yauramba thengnarakibane heroin sing aduga konana faraba mioi ani adudi kangpokpi gi Tulang Faidagi Vigyan Vania Chahikun Mathoy amadi Nagaland gi Kohima Sadardagi Mano Setri Chahikun Gatareni Gari aduda security personnel sing aduna check tawbada soft case samaga humfunipan yauramba thengnaki soft case sing adugi manungda heroin powder sing adu yaurambane soft case aduga konana on bada heroin adu chawrangna kg 8 ka gram yankhai ma thoirom lummi hairi faraba folam sing aduga loina namioi ani adugi mathakta makha taba logi oiba thabak sing chathanaba Porompat police station da sinakre haina subaw sina makha tari
against drug operations today. Imphal East District Police ANTF as well as CRPF conducted an operation based where we have seized one vehicle which you can see behind me. In that we have recovered 168 soap cases of suspected heroin number 4. The approximate weight is about 2.1 kilos and the value in the international market would be about 4 crores. And the operation is still ongoing to find the linkages. 2 people have been arrested in this so far who were in the vehicle, and further investigation in this is underway.